We're gonna try to not laugh challenge. Let's.
If you laugh, you're black.
Okay, I'm not gonna laugh. You think I'm gonna laugh? Oh my god! That's full of money. Ah. Okay, you look like a monkey.
My friend has let me drive his car, which I really do appreciate. It's just, I'm not sure how he expects me to drive with this tip that he has.